Welcome everyone. We are live. Look with me closely. We have stock is pumping in pre-market almost 400%. LHDX is going crazy in pre-market. The volume is almost 50 million. And we're talking about the pre-market volume. So this stock, it might have a billion worth of volume when the market open. Oh man, this would be a really crazy day. And TRK is 21 million worth of volume and around the 21 cent. And after that, we got OBSV, 14 million worth of volume and 61% up. Oh, we got another stocks here, AWIN. We got Excel that's bumping 4%, Tesla almost 3%, BBY 3%. Great day so far. Let's see if we could hold this momentum when the market open. Let's see if we hold the momentum when the market open. This is a really important thing to watch out for, because usually when we have this kind of pump, when the market open, it died out very soon and a lot of people take profit and run away. So we have to be strategic. You see Nvidia doing all right, almost 2% and jumping and gapping up because we held above the 230. We might see the 250 for today for Nvidia. After the news regarding AI, of course, we got some news regarding Nvidia and AI and potential future utilization for AI like technology with Nvidia. That's why the price actually jumped after this kind of news, and we jumped 15%, and there's a potential for today another 7%, or yeah, around the 8%. We might see an 8% jump after we clear the 239 for Nvidia. Welcome everybody, welcome. Good morning everybody. Good morning Carlos. How you doing, brother? Nasir, welcome brother. Yeah. We're gonna have a great day today. We have to be ready for the stock that is jumping now. Let's see AMC doing all right, getting near this breakout zone. As we discussed before, this breakout zone will be majestic for AMC, for my opinion. The $7, man, the $7. We bounced from the $5.90, $5.60, which was our last support before, and we have a great bounce from it. For the same reaction, we bouncing pre-market around the $2.21. Yeah, we're still holding currently above the $2.12, which is the support that we should hold for today to confirm a reversal toward the $2.70. BBY is still holding above the last bottom, which is the $1.28. Last Friday we did 2%, and now is almost 4%. Let's see escape from this bearish trend here, and we might have a game on for BBY to correct from there. So we need to have this reaction today, testing the $2.11 and pumping. What's gonna be people? SRNQ, we don't have any price action now because it's OTC market. The price is delayed. That's why we don't have price action now for this stock. Almost 400%, almost 387%, 390%. Man, 393%. I think 400 right now. We might see the 400, and the pre-market at the moment is 51 million, and the price is still pumping. If we go and check together what's going on with this pharmaceutical company, we might see FDA approval. That's why the price is jumping in pre-market. Wow, man, look at this. Look at this. This is madness. This is really madness. The price already jumped in after hours. If you remember, guys, already did the video for that on Friday. We said this one will squeeze because we spotted this one in the pre-market and after hours, and we said this one will have a huge squeeze if we overcome the 44, and we already did that in the pre-market. You see how much we did? Almost 50% after we broke the 44. If we go and see what's going on, yeah, we have FDA approval, guys. LHDX have FDA approval for the COVID flu test. We have FDA approval for the COVID test they had. Oh man, this one is big news, big news. Big news for this stock, big news. So we have FDA approval for faster free COVID care from home. Oh brother, tests with confidence. This is really crazy. 98% accurate. Lab quality result in 30 minutes. And you can just buy it from home, brother. This is madness. This is big deal. That's why we have the price jump almost 400%. Oh man, this is really crazy. And this is the product that got actually FDA approval. It's called I don't know how to pronounce it. Lucira. Okay. You see it here. You can see it if your test is positive or negative. The accuracy is almost 100%, and you can do it just 30 minutes from your home. Interesting. And this price is still pumping. This price is still pumping, man. Yeah, so this one is the top gainer for today. Let's see if we got other stock on our stock screener and check if we have something other than this one, the crazy one. Let's see. That's why this one has been pumped in after hours, because a lot of people heard the news, man. Many people heard the news in after hours on Friday. When the market closed, the price shot up. This is how crazy it was. The news was confirmed and now is pumping 55%. So we got LHDX, FDA approval stock, almost 50 million pre-market. The other one, we got CFRX, $3 worth of volume is one. We got another one is pumping. Looking interesting, this one. We have reverse split here, 1-80. And that's why the price is around the 4. So it means the price was on descent. Less than 4 cents or less even. That's why the price is jumping now. But we have an interesting level to test today around the 5, now $4.78. Interesting. Okay, so I think we have a support here for $1.40. Yeah, for $1.40 we might see a pullback now toward the support test, then go toward the $5.71. Interesting, brother, interesting. Let me just put something here. We might see a trade here. we might see a trade for this one around the 5, break toward the $5.70, 13%. We might see a continuation toward the 6. So the 6 looking interesting play here. Okay, so this one looking interesting as well. This is the second one. We might do when the market open almost 30%. Let me just add some position here or alert. And another alert for the bottom. If we broke it, this means game over around this level. Ah, come on. Great. Great, great, great. CVRX. Yeah, this one is pharmaceutical company as well. Is medical specialties stock. CRFVX. Medical sector. All the medical sector are crazy stocks. CVRX. Oh, brother, not this one. This is how crazy it is. This one CVRX and this one CFRX. Oh, man. You know, it always happens. CFRX. It has the same chart. It has, yeah. Oh, man, this one is pumping now. Yeah, it's pumping from the resistance. I don't like this, man. When it pump or we have a breakout before the market open, I don't like it, you know, because this is overextension. We lose the entry point here. Yeah, we lost the entry point here. So we might see a pump until the $5.71 before the market open, and then we can get rejected. Anyway. The other one is light on volume, then this one AWIN. We might see a continuation, 24 around the $2 in pre-market. What a huge dump for this one. What a huge dump from the $16. We went back below the $2. Now we gapping up 24%. Yeah, a huge dive. This one, a huge dive down. I might be interested for a swing trade toward the $2.59. Other than that, it's kind of risky now. Toward the 4. And now it's kind of risky. We might see a pull trap. And I don't want to get caught buying the false dip. But just in case, we bought alert. You never know. TRKA, we got Ruby. Pretty cheap for this one. Pretty cheap. We have earnings. That's why the price gapping up 12%. But the daily chart look really ugly. Don't like the daily chart. It's really ugly. Welcome everybody. Exactly, Ray. FTCH. Great question, Poopers Cooper. If LDH or LHDX, if it's the $2 stock or not. Yeah, we got huge news regarding the FDA approval for their new COVID test that so we have mixed signal here regarding they have a new product that have been FDA approved, and the other thing, they have commented on the Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So we have bankruptcy filing for this stock. So they already filed for bankruptcy before this FDA approval. So this is kind of mixed signals, you know. We have kind of good news and bad news at the same time. That's why the price bumped here. You see, around the 23rd, no, beginning of this year, we have a huge bump. Then the huge selling pressure. You see what happened here? Because we got some news regarding filing for bankruptcy. Then the new drug came in and saved this stock once again. Yeah, look interesting now. Look really interesting. Yeah, we might see a huge pump for this one. Still pumping. There's no sign of weakness. There's no sign of weakness. We're still pumping. There's no sign of weakness at the moment. We might see a huge selling pressure here because this is the first profit taken. I think we're gonna trigger it before the market open. Now we just have 10 minutes. 10 minutes to the opening bell for today market, Monday market. Monday market is pretty volatile. The insiders already bought this stock before after the market closed on Friday. Okay, so be careful. The insiders already bought this stock. They already got the news before us. That's why they bought the stock. If we just take the extended trading hours and make it regular, you see the price on Friday closed around the 14. Imagine, just around the 14 cent, and now almost $1. Almost $1. Look, in just one day, man. Just one day, 400%. So if you have like news like this, inside news regarding FDA approval for stocks, you can make millions, man. You can make millions. It's illegal, I know, it's illegal. But insiders always find a way to have those kind of news. There's always manipulation in the market, and the smart money, market maker, the people who have money have the right news. Let us bring back the regular to extended. You see this stock is still pumping. We got 9 minutes left. 9 minutes left, people. 9 minutes left for the live streaming or to the opening bell. So okay, so we got a watch list for today: LHDX, TRKA, OBSV, and CFRX. We got many of stock now, almost 4 on our watch list. CVNA still kind of struggling below this channel. We might see a continuation for CVNA toward the $6. SRNQ looking good. We'll see if we hold above the 38 for continuation for SRNQ. Lunar is not looking good in pre-market, 2% down. AMC is gapping up 2%. BBY still struggling. Okay, Nvidia looking good, going to the $2.50 or the 250. This is this for today. This is today profit taken, $2.50, because we held the 230. So the 250 should be the profit taken for today, at least another 5%, because now is almost 2% in pre-market. But there's always a but. There's a little resistance here. If we broke it, we're gonna have a continuation for a bullish momentum continuation. The 238, this should be breakout zone, and this should be our support, the 233. Holding this level would be hallelujah for the price continuation, and of course breaking the 238. So we have really tight trade here for Nvidia, really tight. Nvidia, Tesla looking good, gapping up, and bouncing every time from our levels, looking really interesting. Yeah, look really good. Still bullish. Tesla still bullish. Tesla looking really good. So the market is doing all right in the pre-market. We have a gap for the SPY as well. Okay, we have a bit pulling back, pull back for LHDX. Are you ready for a Monday market? Let's hear everybody what you think. Are we gonna have a green day? Hopefully a green day for all our hunters for today. Let's see the market. OBSV and CVRX. Oh boy, it's testing our profit taken, as we said. Oh man, the $5.71. Yeah, it's testing. This is really dicey here. Yeah, overextension for this one as well. Is about to break this level, so this is not profit taken anymore, as a resistant. Yeah, we might see a selling pressure when the market open here and going toward the 5. Yeah, we're gonna lose at least 12%. Whoa, another pump. We might see selling pressure here for CVRX. Let's see a test. Okay, testing. Are we gonna have a continuation or a wick? This is just a 1 minute candle, okay? This is just 1 minute. We don't have a closing. Okay, continuation. So this one is started to pump from the resistance. We might see a continuation toward the 660. So everything is pumping just before the market open. Everything is pumping. So we have LHDX almost 400. The other one still holding the gap. Yeah, this one looking better, because we are close this support, and there's about to break this level of resistance. So this should be our profit taken. Let's put alert here. Okay guys, we have just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left for our live streaming to start with the market opening bell. You see what's happening here? We got rejected. So we watch for this level for breakout. So guys, let's even this out. We got just 18 likes and 100 people watching our live streaming. Come on, let's even this out. Let's hunt for the likes before the market open. We just got 1 minute left. We always do live streaming around the we scheduled around the $3.30. Okay, this is we should be around the 3. So 3 p.m. CET always we go live. So just stay tuned for tomorrow live streaming. We're gonna be around the 3 p.m. So always 3 p.m. CET we're gonna do live streaming. If you came a bit late, just stay tuned and the next time earlier, because we hunt for the top gainer for today. Today we have LHDX, TRKA, OBSFV for the market hunt. So let's get right to it. The market is reacting and going down, of course. LHDX will go down a bit to revisit this support. Let's see a hold above the 57. Profit taken here around the 86. So let's see going toward the 86 before any rejection. LHDX. And TRKA doing all right, going toward the 39, first profit taken. TRKA, the first profit taken here. Let's see. Support is around the 33. As we said, TRKA, we need to hold this gap to confirm nothing have a sell-off. If we don't want to have a sell-off, 33 is the support. Okay, OBSV already put alert for entry around the 1390. We got rejected. Okay, we have a gap up for this one, and CFRX is pumping. We already hit the first profit taken and it's going up again. This one, I think it will be, around the 9. We might see the 9 for this one. Yeah, we might see the 9 for this one. It's not finished yet. We might get rejected now. I think we are halted now. Yeah, we are halted. So the $6.75 should be resistant because this is a profit taken. If we clear it, we're gonna have the 9, but now I think it's overextended. We might see like price going down. Okay, I think we're gonna have a sell-off for BAER. Gonna have a sell-off before the 7. This one was a top gainer last week, but today I think we're gonna have a sell-off. Okay, TRKA doing all right, going toward the 39. And this one is going down, of course. LHDX going down. Let's see. So this is should be a breakout zone actually around the 86. At the moment LHDX, so we need to hold this current support above the 50 and the 44. So should be a current support and bottom for this stock to continue to go higher around this area. Should be a bottom. Now we're already getting bought back. So this one is not finished yet as long as we hold this current support and breaking this resistance. We might see this reaction really soon. 64 worth of volume, still picking up. This one is pulling back. You see, we get rejected around the 39 as we said. TRKA held our first profit taken. TRKA, the 39.90, it was a resistant. So this is our first profit taken. It hit perfectly before the 40 cents. The second one should be around the 45. Let's see a continuation for this bullish momentum. It's kind of tricky now. Yeah, look with me. Look what happened. It hit our profit taken, got rejected right away. Huge selling pressure. Let me just adjust this. This should be our support. Yeah, this should be our support. A huge selling pressure right around our first profit taken. This is normal. This is really normal, guys. We bought back. This is good. Aha, now we retake this level now. Someone bought heavily around the 36. Let's see. Yeah, looking good here. We might see a break right now for the 39. This is it. 39.90 is the resistant, confirmed resistant. Wow, OBSV got shorted. I'm waiting for this one maybe in power hour or after a few minutes, because we got rejected right around this resistance. Look really juicy. 1390, okay? 1390 should be a breakout zone for this stock. Now we are not ready yet. CFRX got rejected right around our profit taken, as we said, the $6.75. Be careful, guys. We got halted. Now we unhalted and the price got rejected and went down because this is the profit taken, $6.75. We said it is overextended, over 117%. So now we need to test when we get unhalted around this level. Should be the support. Let me just check again. Should be a current support around the $5.75. We need to have a reversal at the moment above this level. Just in case, let me just put it here. Would be a bit of sell-off and lower it here around the $5.66. So here we're gonna have a huge reversal and then continuation. This is it. We need to hold this level to confirm that we're still strong and continue to go higher. Yeah, the $4.80, the second support or the bottom for today. This is confirmation for not having a sell-off, $4.48, and this is confirmation for strength above the $5.50. Let me lower it again on this area, $5.50. Yeah, here we should have a support reversal, continuation up. And guess what? We gonna have another alert around this level. After the unhalting, the $7.75 should be our resistance and breakout zone for this stock. Okay, getting near. LHDX getting near this box. We need to hold this area for a reversal because we overextended, as we said it, overextended. Lunar hit our scan. Oh man, is pumping. Lunar is pumping once again for an important level. We might see a continuation. TRKA is pumping. Interesting. TRKA is pumping from the 40 cents. Okay, we just tested at 40, got rejected, and now pump once again. Okay, going down, of course. Going down toward our box, we need to have a reversal here, guys. Here, we should have a reversal around the 52. The market maker will buy here. We're gonna have a reversal around this area. Now we should have a reversal. Now we should have a reversal here around the 51 and then continue to go higher. This critical area here, 50, 51. Let's see a reversal. Then we're gonna have a test for this level. Let me just show you. Here should be a profit taken if we reverse from there. Yeah, should be a reversal. TRKA is still testing the 40. OBSV, no. Okay, so TRKA and LHDX, both of them looking interesting. LHDX is looking good for retake for this support. Then testing this profit taken. Let's see a continuation down a bit around this dip. And TRKA is getting near breaking the 40. 40 cents should be a breakout zone. We're gonna have a break. TRKA testing the resistance 40 cents. We need to hold over the 40. TRKA, we need to hold above the 40. The short seller is fighting now. You see, he's still fighting. The short seller is still fighting the 40. We don't have a clear breakout yet. Okay, so we are not ready, so I'll put alert just in case, so we don't miss this breakout around the 40. Yeah, OBSV looking good for retake for the 1390. CFRX is still halted. TRKA getting rejected again around the 40. LHDX is reversing now, all right. We might see a test here around the 66, then continuation down. Yeah, we need to test here, then continue to go down. We're not there yet. We need to have this bottom. Would be a really good entry. TRKA is bouncing back down. Okay, Nvidia have a struggle. You see what's happening? Nvidia have a struggle around this level of resistance. We need to break the 238 for Nvidia. Yeah, a lot of shorts, a lot of shorts. Oh boy, this is it for Nvidia. You see what's happening? This is it. If we broke this, we're gonna have a huge pump for Nvidia. Tesla is 4%, doing all right. Nvidia is struggling around the 238. If we broke it, we're gonna have a huge pump for today. What's gonna be? We have a huge accumulation. You see what's happening here? Huge accumulation. We need volume. The volume is light on Nvidia. Just 1 million. However, if we go to SRNQ, looking good. 1%, yeah. Lunar is kind of looking good. Lunar looking good as well. Still holding. Yeah, we might see a continuation for Lunar toward the 38. Yeah, Lunar looking good now. If we held above the 27, would be a really good trade. Let me just check. Yeah, at least 17% around this level. CVRX, you see what's happened? We opened down. We opened down right around the support. Now we're closing below it. I don't like this. I don't like this. We have a fight now. We have a fight just around the support. What's gonna be? Lunar went down again. FRX got halted now. Halted down now and halting and testing our support. As we said, the $5.50 should be the bottom. You see what happened here? Buying pressure. That's what happened. Because this is the bottom support. Yeah, I know. The peep sounds look like the market is on fire. TRKA got rejected, guys. 39, 39, 39.90. We didn't have confirmation for breakout. You see what's happened here? We talked about this profit taken just when the market opened. We said the first profit taken here. Now the price is gravitating down. So if we don't want to have a weakness and a sell-off, we don't want to break this ascending channel. You see it here. We need to hold above it. We need to hold above this level and precisely around the 36 cents. So we don't want to have a dive below the 36 cents. It's not a complete sell-off, but a weakness. It's mean we're gonna test above the 33 and 34. We're gonna have a reversal here, but I prefer holding above this ascending line to break the 39 and then have the squeeze until the 45. This would be a good reaction for this stock. We got this one is still struggling to go higher. We got SRQ shorted down 10%, got shorted. Okay, we got shorted. We have to update the alert around this dip. And this one around this, and adjust that. Okay, now is the weakness. Now is the weakness. We don't hold the $5.50. So yeah, we're going to the bottom. Gonna have a huge reversal from there then. The $4.80. Okay, people, so this is the bottom that we should have a reversal from. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off. So this should be a bottom for today. You see what's happened? We have a test for LHDX. We got rejected here. We got rejected. We're not ready yet to go up. We need the holy water. Here's the holy water, everybody. The holy water in the house. We need every help we can get. Holy water, smoke, fire, whatever. Because we are trading against the the insiders, the market makers, whatever. The short sellers, they have a huge power over us, you know. So we need all the help we can get, you know. So holy water could help a bit, I think. Okay. Let's go to the growth stock and see Nvidia. What's going on? Oh boy, Nvidia have a huge fight of its life. Nvidia is about to break an important level, people. Look what's going on. We have a huge fight between the shorts and the buyers above this resistance around this orange line and above this AMA. This is it. If we broke this AMA is a weakness. If we broke this resistance is a strength and continuation for a huge pump for today. What's gonna be for Nvidia? Look at this crazy short for Nvidia. Huge wicks here. There's someone selling Nvidia at the moment. They see a great opportunity to short Nvidia. Who is shorting Nvidia now? Who is shorting Nvidia? I can see a huge people actually shorting, even though the market is strong. As you see, this buy is gapping up, but some people are hedging now and shorting Nvidia because Nvidia have a struggle to overcome the 238. Just as I said, guys, if we broke this level, this is game on for Nvidia to have another pump 5%. This will be a great trade, man. But now we're still struggling. Still, even if we went down, we have the 233 as a support, but I don't like this. I prefer holding here above the 236 for a confirmation for a breakout. We need to hold this level. This is it. We need another pump, a huge green candle to take us above the 238. This will be a great indication that someone bought today Nvidia with a huge position. Okay, the price action is a bit not volatile, even though the volume is picking up for Nvidia. Look, it was just 1 million when the market opened. Now almost 7 million, guys. The Tesla, 22 million and pumping 5%. So why Nvidia is not pumping yet? This is crazy. Why Nvidia is not actually overcoming this resistance? This is crazy. We need to break it now. We already have enough volume to break this level. 2% for Nvidia. Nvidia should have today almost 7% up, at least 7%. Yeah, we should have 7% for Nvidia. 237, 238 now. Yeah, I think it's pumping now. Anyway, we already have alert from above and below. We'll leave Nvidia and go back to our stock for today, the big gainer. As we said, the 65 is the current resistance. We might see a filling for this box because we're already up almost 400% for LHDX. So we might see a continuation down toward this box and filling this box. And we have a great reversal from there because now it's kind of overextended. Yeah, we see the price is going down, so we're gonna have this level. 50 cents and 44 cents should be filled for this stock to have a great reversal. Not now, guys, not now. Patient, let the price come to you. Never run after the price. LHDX. This one is a top gainer, guys. TRKA, we waiting for the 40 cent clear. 40 cent breakout, guys. 40 cent is our resistance level. Let me just change the green to orange. The 40 is the resistance. We got rejected. So it was a profit taken, as we said, when the market opened. Now we got rejected. And now we breaking. Now we breaking. Now we breaking. This is confirmed that the short seller shorted the stock here. Yeah, of course. Okay. Let's see if we hold now. We need to have a wick. Yeah, this is good. Let's see a wick like what happened here before. We need another wick. LDH man is pumping now. I prefer if we went down, man. But we actually went up now, testing. Not clear yet. It's not confirmation for buying pressure. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced yet. TRKA, buying pressure happening above this ascending line. We're still struggling. We're still fighting. You know why? Okay, we'll put support here. We have an interesting level. Yeah, we bounce from interesting level. Let's see if we hold the 36. OBSV is still struggling to go higher. Yeah, I'm not convinced yet. As we said, guys, I'm not convinced for this breakout. It's fake. Trap, man. It's trap. Market maker tried to trap us. Bull trap. This is called bull trap. You see what's happened? This is a bull trap. This is a still bull trap. Nvidia breaking a level. Let's see what's going on with Nvidia. Breaking. Nvidia looking good. Nvidia doing all right, guys. Nvidia looking really interesting now. 2%. We might see a 5% at least for today. Now we testing the breakout zone. Nvidia testing the breakout zone, looking juicy now. 238. 238. Oh man, we have a breakout kind of. Yeah, let's close up. Let's close up for Nvidia. Let's see a close up. Come on, we can do this. Come on, the short have to cover here. This is important level now. A new high, guys, a new high for Nvidia, new high. 240. Let's see the 240. Now it's just testing. This is the first 1 minute. Okay, let's close it green now. Aha, we close it red. Oh boy, the short is covering now. That's why we have a fight. They covering, and they shorting some more. Let me just put it there. Yeah, around the 238 is still, yeah, we're not clear yet. Yeah. 239, we need to see the 239. I'm not convinced yet. 239. Yeah, we might see a huge pump for today. If we pump from the 239, another 5% at least. Let's put it around the would be a confirmed breakout. Okay, LHDX, yeah, given but a bit of profit, we were around the 400%, now it's 330. As we said before, the 65 cent is the new resistance. We said we're gonna test it, then continue to go down. We tested it twice, and the price now going back toward this bottom that we're gonna fill and have reversal from. Okay, trap, let's build the trap for this stock. If we went here, would be great. 51.44, 51.44. LHDX. TRKA, okay, dumping down now. We don't held the 36. Now going toward the 33. As we said, guys, the 40 cent is the resistance. That's why the price got rejected. Shorting opportunity here. Price went down. This is the first profit taken. Price didn't close above. That's why we said this is a resistance. Now it's going back toward a retest for the 33. We're gonna have a filling the gap for today. We're gonna fill the gap for TRKA around the 33. There a potential bounce. Sign of weakness when we broke this level. You see here, this area is sign of weakness for TRKA. I don't like this. OBSV, I don't like it as well. We got rejected around the 1390. And CFRX is holding above the $4.80. This should be a support. LHDX was gonna be yeah, it's going down. It's going down, people. It's going down. TRKA. Okay, we already did the chart analysis for it, I think. Okay, let me just go back. TRKA is still fighting. OBSV, as we said, is I don't like this reaction, going really low now. Okay, so we might see a power hour for this stock, but not now. Yeah, is really risky. This one is really risky. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll take it from the list. I don't like it now. We might see a power hour for this one. If we broke the 14 cents, now we might see a continuation down. I will take it from the list. It's a bit weak now. CFRX looking interesting because it's still holding the $4.82. And TRKA, we might see a continuation down toward the 33 because we got rejected around the 40. Now is a weakness. I don't suggest to buy now. LHDX, okay, looking interesting, still strong. This one is still strong. But I prefer to buy here, okay? I prefer to buy around the 50 and the 44. More safer, more better price value. Here is a bit riskier, okay? It's not decided yet. Let's go to NVIDIA. Oh man, NVIDIA got pulled back. Pulled back again toward this breakout zone. We're still trying to break it. Seems to me that the short is still not ready to give up their position around the NVIDIA. Tesla doing really alright. Tesla doing really alright for Tesla. You see what's happened. Huge bounce for Tesla. Going toward the 216 for today. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Another 4%. This should be a breakout zone. And NVIDIA still fighting. NVIDIA still fighting, and we might see another pump like this after the good earnings. Let's see what's gonna be. Usually those stocks take time, okay? Like blue chip company take time to break and take time to go to our level of profit taking. This is really good, you know. It's like fit our profile, you know. Trading Jesus, and the light is coming from heaven, you know. This is the power of Jesus. Bring light to the market. Try to change the market. Yeah, the light. Yeah, the light is coming up from above. David, great question. So the link to our Discord, you get it automatically when you sign to our Patreon. So let me just bring our Patreon link. So once you sign up on our Patreon, you get access straightforward to our Discord and everything, okay? So this is our Patreon link. So I will pin it here. So you can check our Patreon, and once you check our Patreon, you can have access to our Discord. Really simple, okay? Really simple. Bitcoin is hitting our scan. So as we said, once you join our Patreon, you get access to our Discord automatically, okay? So you could have access here in our Patreon. If you have a question and you don't know how to join, you can actually send us a message directly on trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Okay. So I will put the email link later when we almost finish our live streaming. NVIDIA is about to break. NVIDIA is about to break our level, the 238. We might see a break now because the market is hot. Tesla is pumping, guys. Tesla is pumping around the 216. Let me just check AMC. AMC have a struggle, guys. AMC have a struggle. AMC have a struggle. AMC have a struggle around this area. See here? Let me just go in the big picture a bit. Here, we're gonna have a really good test for AMC. A really good test for AMC to have at least a turning point. You see, you have a struggle here every time we test this area. This means shorting AMC. However, there's a good thing. Last time we test this level, we got shorted really heavily for AMC. We got shorted almost 58%. The second test and the second rejection, we got shorted just 37%. So the shorting is getting lower and the buying pressure getting higher. So there's a potential for a pump for AMC pretty soon if we hold above this box. As we said, then we're gonna have the squeeze. So AMC looking good. AMC looking good for a potential pump. DKNG escaping from this bearish flag. DKNG escaping. This is good. On the other hand, this one is going down to our box. Come to us. Let the price come to you. Put traps, guys. Here is our trap to hunt this stock. Here is the trap. Okay? And this is the bird that we're gonna have to hunt. Okay? So just think about this stock as a bird. And this bird is coming down because we put some food, you know? Some food here. And when the bird come in this box, the box will be closed on the bird and we gonna eat this bird. When we're gonna eat it, we don't have to eat it, but we just have to put some I don't know, signal to hunt others bird with it. So think about it. If you catch one bird, you can actually catch other birds if you just put a signal or a trigger behind this bird. So let us hunt for this bird. Come in this box and then boom, let it go up, and we put some kind of some rope, so let the bird come up, then we hunt and we take our profit here around the 65. This is a good strategy. Now it's still holding at the time being. If we don't want to feel FOMO, the 65 is kind of a breakout zone now because we tested and we got rejected, so we don't have to feel FOMO now. We don't have to feel FOMO if we have a signal for strength and a signal for a weakness. TRKA is still holding. Man, we bounce. You see what's happened? We have a huge buying pressure over the 36. Great reaction. Great reaction for TRKA. And CFRX as well, holding above the $4.82. I think the light of angel just escaped us. We have a small window to use this kind of superpower, you know. I can't use all my superpower in the like extended hour live streaming, you know. We just use a bit of it. Now the light of heaven just went away. Now when the light of heaven went away, we have to use our holy water to give us some power. We have to charge back. We have to charge back to be focused. Still, we watching CFRX is still holding 64%. It's not sell off, guys. It's not sell off yet until we actually break the $4.82. So for this one, after the unhalting, we got shorted as we expected, right around the $6.75. And the price went down after unhalting. Now we gonna test this critical area above the $4.80. Yeah, this critical. Really critical area here. We need to have a reversal. We need to have a reversal. Let me just put another level here. Really interesting. Really interesting. So this one we might have a good play for this one. A good play for this one. Yeah, now we see a buying pressure happening. TRKA still holding, interesting. And this one is still holding. So let me just see CFRX. We might see a reversal now. Okay, looking interesting. Wow. We're gonna have a reversal now. Is that it? Okay, people. Interesting. We're gonna check Neo in a bit. Exactly, John. We have to wait for BBY. We have to wait to hunt for BBY. Okay, CFRX is ready to have another bounce. We need to hold above this level, as we said, the $4.80. We might have a retest for this level of resistance again, $5.70. Confirmation for another pump. Now looking good, holding. Holding. We might see a retake now. Let's see another pump, at least 10% for this one. TRKA still holding. This one, wow, this one is held above the 56. Wow, so this is the support here. Yeah, 56. Interesting. Let's see. So I'll just put my alert here for the 55.90. And the breakout here around the 66. Let's see if we're gonna have a breakout now. Yeah, we dipped big time here. We dipped big time. 24%. 24% down. But we still have 66% up. TRKA is still hugging our support, the 36. Great reaction from the market for TRKA. Huge wicks here. Someone bought heavily. So we still have a chance to break the 40 cents. So TRK, we might see a retake for the 40 cent as long as we hold the 36 cent. Now, if we broke the 36, it means we're not ready now. Maybe in power hour, we're gonna have a retake for the 40 after we retest the 33 and even the 27. I don't like this reaction. It's a mean a weakness. If we have the 36, we're gonna have a break for the 40 cent. TRK looking good. LHDX is still strong. CFRX is still holding. We might see a reversal now because we already gave 25% down. There is a potential for CFRX now. If we hold the current support, of course. Wow, Nvidia is going back, man. It's getting rejected. This is bad, man. This is bad news. This is bad news for Nvidia. We got rejected, guys. 238. We didn't break. Price went down. And now we have just one support left to hold. Otherwise, game over. You see what's happened here? Wow, man. This is it for Nvidia. If we broke this level, oh, man. If we broke this 236, is game over. At least now. At least now. This means the short just shorted Tesla, Nvidia around the 238. Would have liked to have this breakout, but we didn't. Oh boy, we're still holding. We're still holding. Tesla's doing much better. Tesla doing much better. The top gainer in the blue chip company. But Nvidia, yeah, got shorted, guys. Got shorted. No. The short in Nvidia. Look what's gonna happen now. Look what's gonna happen. This is it. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. This is it. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit now. Nvidia is going toward the 233. Nvidia not looking good now. No. No. Not good. Not good, brother. So we wait for clear the 238. I will let the price come to me and never run after the price. This is the most important thing to learn from our hunting strategy. There's always opportunity in the market, okay? So if we miss this trade, no worries, there's another one. This is make you never feel FOMO and feel comfortable and at ease. Whatever happened to the market, there's another chance, Imagine there's almost over 15,000 stocks, brother. 15 stocks, 15,000. Just think about it. The idea is to switch pretty fast, okay? Is not contemplating about missing a trade, some trade never go your way, like Nvidia never overcome our resistance. Don't contemplate and get angry why this didn't happen. The stock doesn't care about us, it's kind of reacting what the market do, like mass psychology, a lot of factors happening. We can control it. What we could control is our mind and using our mind to find the good setup. This is it. This is trading. The rest is kind of we can actually control and random. It's called gambling. But our strategy and how we choose one stock is the define factors from a good trader from the bad trader. That's it. Simple as possible. As Einstein said, if you could actually teach like a little boy like a complex thing or something really hard to explain, it means you understand the subject right. If you couldn't, it means you don't understand it yourself. So we try to make it simple, guys. Simple as even if your grandma watch our live streaming, she will know what we're talking about. Simplicity is the rule, man, for everything. It's not about complexity, but simplicity. I like simple stuff. I like to make hard stuff to make it really simple. Sometimes it's really hard to do that, but this is the challenge. LHDX. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting for a break for this level. We have accumulation, fighting. Now we're gonna have a breakdown. We need to have a breakdown, like what happened for NVIDIA. Testing, 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 then breaking down. TRKA still, now we might see a break for the 36. Now we might see a break. There is a fight. There is a huge fight on this wall. Some people pushing from above and some people pushing from below. Huge push, like big arrow, big selling pressure from above and big buying pressure from below. That's what happened right now. You see this candle? This is what's happening. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? You see here? This is explaining what's going on with this candle. There's many shorting now from above and many buyers from below. That's why we're still holding. So here we can't do anything, you know? We can't do anything here. We don't know what's gonna happen because it depends on who gonna buy more than who gonna sell. This is it. We need a clear signal. We don't have a signal now. We don't have a signal, guys. We don't have a signal. Maybe like in the future, when AI will be really strong, we can actually predict the future. I don't know, like if AI could do that. I don't know if it's possible. You can predict the future. Like predict the future with 99.99% accuracy. I think this is kind of impossible, man. Because Einstein said it, I think, or who mad scientist said it. They said there is no future, there is no past, there is no present. It's always all time is continuous, you know. And if you think about it, this is really madness, because if there's no past and there's no future, is mean your past is already here, but we can access it. There is no we have to actually access another dimension to go back in time. You see, this is really crazy when you think about philosophy, about time and things like this. Is counterintuitive. And I really like to think like this. Like a lot of people say, past, you can go back in time or you can go in the future. But if you tell someone, no, there's no past and there's no future, there's just one time continuous, it's like, oh man, this man is on weed or he's using drugs. But this is the normal human being actually. But usually human being and like usually normal people, they just caught up in routine and they never actually think this way, you know, because they just want to pay their taxes and sleep and, you know, enjoy their time and never think. This is the majority of people, like 99%, nobody can think. Even for me, like sometimes I never think. I was like, holy man, I never thought about some idea today, because I take everything by like routine. Prepare for stocks, doing this day, do that. But at the end of the day, I ask myself question: did I thought in new ideas, or did I challenge myself to think outside the box today? If I said no, I would be really angry and force myself to think about something counterintuitive or sit with myself and think about the new ideas, you know? And it's really, really hard. I'm telling you. You think it's simple, but it's really hard. CFRX. Oh, brother, what's going on with this one? Still struggling. Let me just go in smaller picture. Let me just lower this here. $5.37 is the breakout. Interesting. So we might have a mini breakout around the $5.36. It's still struggling here. We have accumulation. Yeah, we're not ready yet. Still not ready yet. As we said, the $5.70 should be a squeeze area here for this stock. Now we're not ready yet. TRKA is still fighting, man. Still fighting. Let me just put this here to warn us for a sell-off. Whoa. Wait a second, we got some things going on here. Lunar. Another test for the 2850. So we might see something going on with Lunar, guys. Something going on with Lunar. There's a potential squeeze here. 2850, guys. 2850. There's a potential squeeze for this one. I'm watching Lunar. We might see price going to the moon. This one is the stock is officially, we might go to the moon once again. I will put this alert. We got AMC looking interesting. AMC looking interesting for a trade. AMC looking interesting. Ape, BBY is dicey. It is dicey, brother. It's dicey. Now it's dicey. We need at least to break the 176 for a potential volume change. Now is not good, guys. For Ape, it's still not good. AMC looking better. Looking better than Ape. We might see a flag form. Now we have kind of flag form, and there's a potential, guys. There's a potential trade here. We might see a breakout here. Interesting. Interesting. We have a flag form for AMC. It's RNQ, get shorted. Nvidia, man, Nvidia get shorted. Oh, brother, get shorted really big time, Nvidia. I don't like this, man. But wait a second, guys. And I'm talking about smaller picture, okay? In the big picture, we're still in a bull run because we're still holding the 230. In the smaller picture, again, we still have a support above the 234. So now we're gonna have a filling the gap. Maybe in a power hour, we might see a breakout. So I'm watching. I already put my alert around the 238.80 for a breakout for Nvidia. And you must be wondering why I'm looking for Nvidia and Tesla and the other blue chip company. Because I don't just trade the high volatile stocks, but I trade the other safe stocks. So I divide by high volatility stock and low volatility stock. Okay, and the other blue chip company, I could actually use a bit of leverage, like 1 to 5, and even if I got 5%, I could actually get 25% on Nvidia on the other stock. So safe and like trading at the same time, like high reward. So it depends on what kind of leverage you use. And diversification, of course, not trading the high volatile stock because it's really risky. It's always diversifying and only risk, let's say 10% or even less if you never traded those stocks before, just 1% of your portfolio to trade those stocks that we're trading today, like those stock, the three stock that are on our watch list. So always have a strategy, guys. TRKA is pumping. And this one's going down, CFRX, but still holding. TRKA is still holding the 36. The 36 should be the bottom for today. I think the is not the holy water, because we always add holy water to our live streaming, but I think this is the holy light for today. That's why it gives me some insight. That's why it gives me some insight. Yeah, the light is back. Today is really good day because it's sunny day, and it's kind of give us some energy, you know. Light is kind of gives some energy because usually here in France it's always cloudy, you know. It's kind of sad, but today is good. Today is kind of sunny and look good. It feel good. LHDX 330%. Let's take everything out. Yeah, come on, go down. Yeah, all right. Now I like it. It's going down. And CFRX is pumping. It's good. We might see a pump. Yeah, it's good. Now it's pumping. Yeah, good. CFRX is pumping, guys. Let's see CFRX. Let's see a test for the $5.70. As we said, the $4.40, $4.80 should be a bounce. Here is the reversal. You see here? We're already reversed. Now we're gonna have a test for the $5.70. CFRX have a great bounce from our bottom. Great bounce. Yeah, $5.60. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, $5.60. We're gonna have a rejection here, $5.70. Let's see a test for this level. TRKA is pumping as well, guys. And this one is going down. Okay, TRKA bounce. It held perfectly from our support, the 36. Looking interesting. Okay, we might see a break now for CFRX, $5.70. We might see a break. And TRKA is doing all right. We bounced from our support, the 36. We held it perfectly. So the 36 is our current support. 40 is the resistance. Let's check Lunar out. Okay, Lunar is about to bump. You see what's happened here? We have a short price crawling up, test our resistance, now is about to bump once again. We might see a huge pump for this one. Yeah, let's see a test here. Let's see a test around the 33 after this breakout. So put Lunar, put AMC. So we got two trade. Okay, AMC looking good now. A breakout, kind of breakout from this flag. Interesting for AMC. Interesting play. This one, yeah, okay, CFRX is about to break. CFRX is about to squeeze. The light have came back, the light of heaven shining down on the stock market. Let's go. $5.60. $5.60. $5.50. Wow, man. A test and rejection here. We might see a squeeze for this stock. We hunted here. As we said, should be the bottom. When the market opened, we got halted and we said we might see a rejection. That's why we don't suggest to enter, because this was a profit taken and rejection area around the $5.75. Now is another try to break the $5.70. We might see a break now for this level. And another test toward the $5.70. Yeah, the target for this one is around the 9. If we broke the 6, are we ready to break? Are we ready to break? This is the 1 million question. TRKA looking interesting. Okay, LHDX is about to break. We are testing here. This is the testing area around the 56. Watch out. Just testing area here. Bless the like button and the way in, guys. We always do live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET each day. We hunting for the market, and we always let the price come to us and never hunt or never run after the price. I forgot my own slogan. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, we need another water. Yeah, we have to finish this water today. Yeah, we got shorted again. CFRX, the short is already heavily short in here. So this is a confirmation for squeeze for us, but now we're not ready. We're not ready, brother. We're not ready. Lunar is not ready. AMC is not ready. Yeah, we got rejected right around our breakout zone. Exactly around our breakout zone. This is madness. Look at this. Really look at this. Okay, AMC looking interesting, guys. We have AMC, we have Lunar, we have many stock on our watch list to see if we have a breakout. Nvidia is bouncing back kind of from our bottom, the 234. Let's check if we have something here. The top volume. We got Tesla number 1 around the 48. AWIN. We got shorted right around our resistance, the $2.59. FSR. Not looking good here. I don't like it. Ford is kind of interesting, but I don't like it. NEO, we got many questions from you guys. NEO, what's going on with NEO? Is weak now, is a bit weak for me to enter here. We got shorted. You see what's happened here? We broke this flag. So it's a bit weak here when we broke this flag. So I will put just in case alert here. We might see a continuation for this short for NEO and continue below the $8. So I will be extremely careful now. We're testing near a bottom, which is the $8.90. If we broke it, it means price continuation down. You see this flag? We've been trending down in this area since last year, October, you see? Then we broke it down today. I don't like it now. After this two bad earnings, NEO fundamentally and technically doesn't look good. Doesn't look good, doesn't look good, doesn't looking good. So we need to have patience. Let the price come to us. We have great support for NEO. CFRX, we hunted this one as well, as we said, above the bottom. So we got this one, LLAB. We got shorted as well for this one around this level, the $3.33. Interesting. too sunny. It's too sunny. I can't see even the screen, guys. I can't see the screen. It's a bit sunny here. This is a human being for you. If it's too sunny, they complain and say, "Well, it's too sunny and it's too humid." If it's too cold, it's like they complain and will say, "Ah, it's too cold and there's a lot of rain." And if it's they wanted this sweet spot, you know, it's not too hot, not too cold, and perfect. Oh man, we're getting really, really weak and kind of spoiled, you know. We're getting really spoiled. I forgot myself because I don't like to be like this, you know. If it's too hot, it's too cold. Whatever I am, I just accept it, you know. But anyway, yeah, we kind of an era of perfection. People need a perfect life. TRKA bumping, guys. TRKA is pumping. TRKA is pumping. Oh boy, this one escaped, is run, and now is selling pressure. Oh boy, 1 minute. Let me just go. Yeah, 10 second and shorted. 10 second and shorted. Aha, I think we got halted now. No, false halt. TRKA, we have a huge pump from the 40 cent. We did 5% and got shorted. It's dangerous. It is dangerous. It's still testing. This 1 minute is about to close. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Left off. And we're going to have a left off. 2, 1. Yeah, we might see a left off now. But this is a huge wick, man. This is a huge wick. Wow. Because we pumped already from down, so we lost a bit of momentum. Let's see if we held now over the 40. Wow, they're still shorting, man. They're still shorting. So we don't have confirmation for hold up above the 40 yet. Let's check this one. Still holding. SFRX still holding. Let me just check TRK. It's still struggling, guys. 40 is still the resistant. Still the resistant for TRK. We got a huge pump. Now the price got rejected again. Double top. We got double top. Double top. Double top. Double top. We might see a continuation down around the 38. So the 38 should be support. We don't want to go below that. If we go below that, it means a sell-off and breaking the 36. But if we held here, it mean a retake would be pretty soon, around the 38.80. So we need to hold this level after this rejection. What a crazy breakout. Wow. Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it now. See what I put? I put the alert around minus 40 cents. What a crazy alert. Who gonna buy on minus? This is really funny. Yeah, around the 40. CFRX try to retake the $5.70 and LHDX is going down. It's going down. Let's see a continuation down from here. Yeah. Yeah, TRKA is still meme stock now. There's a potential for TRKA, for a continuation for TRKA. As long as we hold the 38, of course. Let's see, now or never for TRKA to pump. Now or never. Let's see a pump over the 40 cent. If we pumped over the 40 cent, we're gonna see the 45 cent. We're gonna see another pump at least 13%. And then the 58 cent. We need to hold the 38. Come on. Because if we went until the 36, I don't like it. It's mean a weakness. This is the only level left to break. We need to hold above the 40. We didn't hold above the 40, so the 40 is the resistance. A lot of you told me like big whale bought and something like this. We'll confirm if we break the 40, but now we not confirmed yet that someone bought heavily. It's not confirmed yet. If the whale bought, the stock have to pump right now over the 40. If we went down, is mean a retail trader buying, you know, from Reddit. Okay. TRKA, we might see a pump. Yeah, it's about to pump. Now or never. 40 cent. Let's go. TRKA. Okay. Let's see a pump now. Now or never. Okay, we need to hold now. We need to hold toward the 45. Let's see a hold up. The first test we got rejected. Now we need to hold up. There's someone bought here, like you said, guys. A huge whale bought. So as we said, we held the 38. This should be the support. Now we see a bit of selling pressure, but we need to have a continuation. This is it. We need to have a continuation for confirmation. Yes, yes, yes. TRKA, now the support is around the 38, 48. Profit taken around the 45. First profit taken. 45, let's see. Now we just did 34%. There's a potential for at least another, let me just check, another 40%. We might do again 70% for today. 45% is the first profit taken. 45 cents. Let's see a continuation now. 41.50. At the moment is 41.50. Still struggling. Why? We need a continuation. We need a huge pump. Still, this is not a good reaction for a strong stock. Okay. Some pullback. Oh boy. Oh man. I don't like this. Another selling pressure after this breakout. This is really bad. I don't like it. What's going on here? Let's see. 38, 48. 38, 48. We got some weakness now. We got some weakness. The short is still shorting. This is really clear. Because after the breakout from the 40 cent, we should have went to the 45 by now, you know. But we got still shorted and we went below the 40 cent once again. So the 40 cent is still strong, man. 40 cent is still strong. See it clearly that in the big picture we didn't close above the 40, and now we're still struggling below the 40. However, we're still holding above the 38, which is the current support. So if we don't want to have a huge sell-off again toward 36, and a weakness for the chart for TRKA is holding the 38, then breaking the 40 and holding above the 40. This is the only thing that we have to watch out for. Breaking the 40 once again, because now we're closing below the 40 and is weakness. I'm telling you guys, this is a weakness. We need to break the 40 once again. CFRX doing really alright. Really alright because we accumulated below the breakout zone. This one, let me just check. Yeah, the 65 is this the resistance. So CFRX looking really pretty nice. We might see a breakout for this one. CFRX is about to break $5.70. There's a potential squeeze here. TRKA start to try to break the 40 now. Okay, another try to break the 40. Let's hold above the 40 because last time we didn't hold the 40. We need to hold above the 40 this time. Wow, get shorted. Wow. CFRX, we just tested and got shorted. You see what happened here? $5.70. Wow. Clear short. Boom. 10% in just 1 second. Short is really strong, guys. The short is really strong here. Okay, TRK, try to break the 40 once again. We have another try to break the 40 and hold above the 40. CFRX got shorted and LHDX try to break the resistance around the 60. TRK still a huge short open for TRK. You see it clearly that we have a huge wick here above the 40. The short is opened around the 40. Siders, everybody is waiting. Anticipation is big for TRKA. Next bump, guys, next bump we're gonna have the same like what happened here when we bounced from our support, the 36. You see what happened here? A huge open position for TRKA. We might see another try, and again if we hold the 40 we're gonna have a huge pump again here. You see here, we're gonna fill this level. Yes, yes baby, yes, yes, it's pumping now. Now we are pumping. All right, let's see the 45. As we said, the 38 was our bottom. This is the support, still holding it. Now we have to go toward the 45 and we hold above the 40. Looking good on the 15 minute. Looking good at the 15 minute. Let's see new high. Let's see a new high around 42.50. 42.50. Yeah, Lunar has got shorted because we didn't break the 28.50. Not good. Not good. And CFRX got shorted around the $5.70. LHDX still have a struggle to break the 65. That's why we're gonna have the price test eventually and finally around this box, the 50 and the 44, where we're gonna have a genuine buying pressure here. But at the time being, let's us watch TRKA, because now different story. We holding above the 40. We need to hold above the 40 psychological level. Looking good. TRKA looking good. 100 million. We got 100 million worth of volume for TRKA. We're waiting for another pump, almost 12%, around the 45 cents. Again, we need to hold above the 40 this time. First time we got rejected and we closed below the 40. Second time we got rejected and closed below the 40. And this is the third time, guys. We close below the 40. I don't like it, really. If we close and again around the below the 40, I don't like it. We're doing lower highs here. 1, 2, and 3. This is a bit of weakness. We need to break this pattern. Yeah, I think we're gonna go below the 40 once again. This is it. This is it. Are we gonna go below the 40 or not? Or are we gonna hold? Okay, we held. We have a great bounce from the 40 this time. Yeah, 40, 80. Let's see 42. Come on. Come on. This would be a great breakout. This time we held above the 40. This time we held above the 40 and continue to go toward the 45. This would be a great breakout and confirmation for strength. Come on. This is it. TRK, this is it. I'm saying this is it. We need to have a breakout now. We need to have a new high around the 42.60 and going toward the 45. Let's go, let's go, let's go. $41. Okay, 41.40. Great. 41.48. Let's see a new high. Come on. Let's see a new high around the 42. Yeah. There's a bit of rejection here around the 41. 41.50. Yeah, 41.50. There's a bit of rejection. 41.50 and the 42. The short is still there, man. They're not covering yet. They're not covering yet. They're holding tight. Yeah, they're holding tight. They're holding tight around the 41.50. Interesting. Really interesting. What's going on with BTC? What's going on? We got shorted. Yes, we got shorted. It was a good trade for us. We hunted from last video we did. We did 100x leverage here on the 23. We took our profit here. If you remember, around the 23,585 exactly. Price got shorted, you see. Great hunt. High, low risk, high reward actually. So price TRK pumping, guys. TRK finally. Let's go. TRK, let's go. TRK, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now or never. Now or never. Cheers, everybody. This is water. I'm not drinking alcohol or wine. This is water, guys. Okay, 41.38. Let's see, 41.50. First break, 41.50. Okay, great, 41.70. Now we're gonna have a break. Now we're gonna have official break. Come on. Come on, there's no turning back. Now or never. Let's go. We need a continuation and never, no selling pressure. Have a green candle like this. Now or never. Otherwise, will be manipulated. If we went below the 40 now, I don't like it. There's only way up now. Only way up, guys. Only way up. Roll the dice. Like your name, brother. You're a gambler. AMC and GME testing important resistance. For AMC, GME, we didn't watch it yet. TRK looking good. Oh boy, 115k worth of volume. 115k. 115, guys. And the price is still don't have a clean explosion. We don't have a clean explosion yet. We don't have a clean explosion. Still. We need the 45. Come on, guys. We need to have a test here. Here we're gonna have a breakout. 42.54 will be where the short have to cover. Here where the short have to cover officially, and this is will give us a squeeze toward 45. First profit taken 45. Let's go. Still struggling toward the 42.50. Oh man, still have a bit selling pressure, so it means we not there yet. We're not there yet. Yeah, we're not there yet. We didn't corner the short seller yet. This means we didn't corner the short seller yet. Yeah, they're still holding. The volume is crazy. Both of them. You see here, top volume for today, 166 for LHDX and 115 million for TRK. We're gonna do a short analysis, of course, for TRKA if we hit this level of profit taken, to update the second profit taken for TRKA, and not just second profit taken, but a short squeezed, okay, where we're gonna have another short squeeze and potential another pump for TRK. We're gonna do a short update analysis for that, of course, after our live streaming if we hit this level and we broke it, because we about to break it at the moment, as I can see here. For LHDX, of course, we're gonna do update as well if we fix this box. CFRX, we're gonna do update if we broke the $5.70. And the other stock like Lunar, of course, we're gonna do update if we break the 28.50. AMC, we're gonna do update, of course, as well. You see what's going on with AMC. We have a potential break from this flag. And for GME, on the other hand, GME or GameStop is not looking good like AMC. Oh boy, it doesn't look good. No, it's not looking good. It look a bit kind of dangerous now. Yeah, it look a bit dangerous. Let me just bring this. Yeah, we get shorted here. Let me just lower this here. We got an interesting level now. Yeah, we got interesting support to hold above the 1850. Otherwise, we're gonna go toward the $10 once again. First around the 15, then the 10. So yeah, It's not looking good. It doesn't looking good like AMC. AMC kind of in a bit of bullish momentum, but GameStop is in bearish momentum. You see here we have a bit of reversal for AMC. GameStop not. Because we got earnings. See, we got earnings just in one day. I think tomorrow after hours. Yeah. You see, we have almost a test for this flag from above, and the price got rejected. Because of what? We got earnings tomorrow after hours. Watch out. AMC is on the watch list. Earnings tomorrow. There's a potential pump. Potential pump. We have a huge pullback. TRKA. I don't like it. Going toward the 40 once again. Oh man. This is crazy what's going on. Yeah. It's not looking good now. It's not looking good. But it's still holding the 40. So the 40 is the support that we should hold now. Otherwise, we're going to have a sell-off. 40 should hold, man. Should hold. Okay, breaking. Finally, see what's happened. Went to our box, 51. As we said it, 51 should be the first bottom around this box. Perfect. Because we got rejected around the 65, you see? 65.97. It was important resistance. We got rejected around it 3 times. That's why we're gonna visit this box and we're gonna fill it. This stock will have a power hour because it's already went in the pre-market almost 400%. Now it's 270. So we give almost half of the profit back. So we might see a huge reversal for this one in power hour. That's why we said we're gonna do a short analysis update for it with TRKA and CFRX. It's not game over still. There's a potential for those stocks. There's a huge potential, guys. And of course, guys, let me know about if you have any question regarding Discord or Patreon, how to join, because some of you ask me about if I have the Discord link. So many of you don't understand how it works because as we said before, if you join our Patreon, you get our Discord channel as like a bonus, you know. So you get the link once you join our Patreon. So many of you don't know how this works. If you don't know, just send me an email to our trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. And promise you, this is me, not an AI, okay? This is me who gonna reply on you, not an AI. Not yet, of course. So if you have any question, I will reply as soon as possible on this business email. And why we use email? Because in the comment section there's a lot of spammers. They pretend that is me and use Telegram, and that's why I never actually share my phone number, because of the spammers and scammers. So stay safe and never reply on those spammers. The only way to contact me is by using this business email. I will reply as soon as possible. And of course, we're gonna do a video around 8 p.m. CET. We're gonna discuss MULN because we said we see a lot of people talking about MULN. Of course, we're gonna talk about MULN. We're gonna talk about BBY and BBIG and the other stock on our list for today that we hunted for before the market open. And we're just gonna discuss the profit taken, the support, and what we should expect for tomorrow, strategy and game plan hunt for tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and as usual, tomorrow live streaming at the same time for today, 3 p.m. CET, to hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze. As you see here, we have almost 3 stock, LHDX, which did 400%, and now going back to our box. TRKA bounced up and got rejected first around the 40 cent, which is a profit taken. Now we're retesting this 40% and going below it once again. So I don't like it right now because it's a weakness if we broke the 40 cent. We'll see if we held, and I doubt that. Maybe we can break now. Let's see if we held. Still holding anyway. CFRX is going back to our support, so it's still holding to support. So this one might have a power hour. So as we said, we might have a power hour for many stocks, so stay tuned for a chart analysis that we're gonna do on our Discord. Of course, as you can see here, always we do chart analysis after our live streaming for update for precise entry and exit for a lot of stocks if we broke support or resistance, and on our Patreon as well. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.